How to lower iPhone brightness past the lowest options. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. On this page, scroll down and find the Reduce White Point feature towards the end. As you can see, the switch is currently turned off. Tap on the switch to turn on this feature. This setting reduces the intensity of bright colors. You can now drag the slider to adjust the intensity according to your preference. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily lower iPhone brightness past the lowest options. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.